Opening bell for this Monday morning, coming back after a truncated week, an extended weekend. And you've got lots on your platter. A weak set of global cues to start off the day with. And aside of that, that big U-turn that the US FDA or some suspect the company itself has done with regards to Aurobindo Pharma. So that's going to be the big stock to really talk out for. Virus scare, of course, continues. You've got Italy as well withdrawing some of their popular annual fairs. You've got gold now, which is a fresh record high. So you can sense that there is that risk of a strategy or sentiment really playing out across the globe. You've seen the US dollar as well as both the gold as well, which are looked at as safe haven assets, which are now gathering momentum. The first rates on your screen sub that 11,000 or rather 12,000 mark, 11,983. A 100-point dip is what the Nifty is witnessing right now. Aurobindo Pharma, that's going to be the key stock that one really needs to keep on their radars. So I want to start with that. It's a gap down start of 10%. Remember, in the last two sessions itself, that's Wednesday as well as Thursday, Oro ran about 20%. So wouldn't be surprised if that move gets undone today itself. But it's a gap down start and staying put at that 539 odd level. That's where Aurobindo Pharma is. Want to check in on what telcos as well are up to and whether or not there is any relief setting in, considering there was that DOT meeting which transpired on Sunday, and it seems that, at least sources seems to be indicating that some relief may be on its way when it comes to telcos. It seems that the government is mulling some relief measures for telcos, and that really seems to be something which is in the works. But no respite really on the stock prices. Airtel at 540, and Idea will just come for you on your screens next. SBI, Tata Steel, Axis Bank, ITC, Tata Motors, all the blue chips are the ones which are weighing heavy on the index. What is Bandhan Bank up to? It seems that there is some relief coming in for Bandhan Bank. That starts off with a gain of about almost 1%. And I want to check in on what Axis Bank as well is up to, considering the Axis as well as Max Financial MOU which has been inked. And this news, of course, came out post-market hours on Thursday. So that's that pretty much when it comes to all the news-specific news.
With the breadth, take a look at that. Continues to remain in favor of the losing side. The broader end of the market is seeing a negative tick. And mind you, from metals to pharma, autos, PSU Bank or the Nifty Bank itself, it's a red tick across the board. 430 points down just in the first 2 minutes of trade on the Sensex, with the Nifty at 11,940. There are some of the other names as well that I would like to flag off. Stocks that are in news this morning. Ambuja Cement is on the brokerage radar, getting an outperform rating coming in. You've also got the likes of Sun Pharma, the SEBI probe finding a violation of listing as well as their disclosure norms. Biocon, the US FDA issuing a Form 483 with 4 observations. There was Eris Life Sciences with a bulk deal as well. And GMR Infra, of course, a penny stock, but GMR Airports has sold about 49% stake to French group ADP.